Day 6 of the Blitz 2.0. Okay, if you made it this far, you have already learned and heard everything about batching, content planning. You know that it is necessary to save audios, but use audios that are trending. And if you want to go viral, go back to yesterday's tutorial where I tell you the key to going viral with trending audios. Okay, today I want to tap into this third stage that I explained in tutorial day 4, where I told you about the 3 different stages of being broad and general in the beginning, the curiosity phase, and then becoming an expert and building your authority in the second stage by narrowing down your content. In the third stage, this is what we're talking about today, is you want to actually speak to your avatar, your ideal client, so the person that you want to work with. And you want action takers to react to your reels, right? This is the whole point of going on social media. Yes, of course, you want to build your brand, you want to engage, you want to nurture your audience, and you want to provide value on a daily basis. However, in the end, we're all business owners and we want to make sales. So today, let's talk about them. Because if you're creating reels just for the sake of having pretty content on your profiles, it's not going to give you anything to feed your children. So what you always need to do is, of course, you have to have a call to action in your reels. Whatever it is that you're currently trying your audience to do, if you want them to sign up for your email list, if you want them to join your Facebook group, if you want them to click the link in your bio because that's where they then go into your funnel, all these things have to be thought through before you create your reels, right? You need to have a strategy, because if you don't have a money strategy in place, everything that you're doing and all the time and the effort that you're putting into those reels and the content that you're creating is going to be in vain. Yes, it's going to build trust. It's going to do eventually something. And for those of your audience who the people who are really interested in what you're doing and who resonate with you, they're the random people that or the rare people that sometimes, they investigate it and they say, how can I find out more about this person? And then they send you the message and ask you for the link to buy from you. But that's really special occasions. Sometimes, or most of the times, people don't do that. If you don't catch them in the moment, if you don't tell them what to do, they're just going to go somewhere else where it's easier to get the results and to buy from the people, your competition. So always know, what is it that your audience is needing, right? So the content needs to speak to your avatar in the sense of, okay, so you're talking to busy moms, so your content needs to be really easy and quick, digestible. It has to have some value. It has to be on the go. They need to see it, understand it, apply it, and get perfect results, right? They don't have the time to sit down and listen to your 30 minutes YouTube videos. That's not the format. When we talk about reels, so there's no 30 minutes anyways, but just to paint the picture and to make a point here that your content needs to speak to your avatar. So in the context of creating reels, again, it's whatever is best suitable for your niche. Maybe they're, more engaging with your funny content, or they want to be educated. Those are the reels where you then provide the information and the snippets on top of your, the captions on top of your pictures or videos that you're using for your reels. Play around with the format. That's always a rule of thumb. But then have in the caption, have in your description of the reel too, a call to action so that they know what they need to do next. So, and even if it's not straight away to, get them to buy your services or to buy your product, just let them do something to stay in your world for a little longer, and then that leads them into your funnel, into your group, or onto another website that makes them stay and do something more. So don't let them just watch a reel and then go and forget about you. Okay, so I hope this helps. I hope this supports, and please never forget to tag us. This is the Blitz for you, so we want to monitor you. So whenever you publish your reel, make sure you have Magnetized Soul, Her Money Vibe, the Nomad Mompreneur in your tags, and also our hashtags. You can find them in the guide section in the description, and keep going. It's all about consistency.